Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's December 1st, that means a brand new Spellbinder Club's card kit of the month. This is the December 2021 card kit. The theme is Beauty is Everywhere. So you'll always receive your little information card. It has a couple of card samples. On the back side it does have a tutorial how to assemble one of those cards. And then you do have the list of contents of everything that's included in the kit. If you are interested in subscribing, I do have a link provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 9 sheets of cardstock, and these are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. You have an orange, a light blue, there's a sheet of white, there's black, there's a soft pink, a very light gray, there's this bright purplish pink. For the specialty cardstock this month, we have gold mirror. It's always pretty. And then finally, we have a nice primary green. Here's the paper pad that's included, called Beauty is Everywhere. This is a 6 by 6 paper pad. There are 40 sheets, and these are single-sided papers. Beautiful patterns. It has more of a mixed media vintage look to it. And this month in the paper collection, some of the sheets have a glitter finish, and it's embedded, so this is a no shed glitter. There's a fun map. So here's one that has that glitter finish. Hopefully my camera is picking that up. Some of the stripes on this sheet also have that glitter finish. I love this black and white floral design. It's so pretty. There's some tone-on-tone patterns. Here's another with that glitter finish. There's a brick wall, more floral patterns. This really is a beautiful paper collection with lots of soft colors. There's one that has sentiments all over the background, another very mixed media look to it. More lovely florals, and then we're back to repeating the patterns. The next item is a sheet of cardstock embellishments. There's 6 different images. Most of them have a sentiment on them. There's some of that glitter finish that's embedded, so it's not going to make a mess. They have a separate layer, and all of those pieces are popped up with some foam dimension. These are really pretty. Here's the stamp set for the month. There's 3 different sentiments, lots of images, and I think those images will look beautiful heat embossed. There's a sheet of beautiful butterfly stickers. You can see all of that sparkle from the glitter finish on them. And these also have a strip of foam dimension on the back side. You could always peel that off if you don't want to pop them up. The next item is a pack of chipboard frames. Let me get these out of the package. There's 2 different sizes. You'll get 3 of each. Some beautiful patterns. And these do have adhesive on the back. You just have to remove the release paper. I think these would be fun to make shaker cards, or you could put an embellishment or image in the center of that frame. So all beautiful designs, and they coordinate perfectly with the paper collection. As with all Spellbinders kits, you'll receive a full pack of the die cut shapes, and I will show a picture at the end of this video of everything that's included. There's a roll of adhesive tape and also foam squares. The sequins this month are beautiful. There's 2 different pinks. One's more of a matte finish and the other is glossy. There are 10 of the card bases and envelopes, and these are all American Standard A2 size. The card bases do have a linen texture on them, so it's really fun. The final item that's included in the kit is the die set. There are 8 dies included. So first we have this beautiful border. Then there are several different dies to assemble a butterfly. So you have the outside piece. Here's where you get all the detail from the wings, and there's also the body of the butterfly. There's some flowers, some leaves, and also some branches as well. I think those would be really fun to use. That is everything that's included in Spellbinders December 2021 card kit of the month. And here's a look at all of the die cut pieces. And there are 2 of every piece. And many of the die cut pieces also have that glitter finish, so they're really pretty. If you are interested in subscribing to Spellbinders card kits, I do have a link provided in the description box below. In order to receive the December kit, you do need to sign up by December 24th. Some months, Spellbinders does offer some of the kit extras that you can purchase individually. Sometimes it's the paper pad, the stickers, or the die cut images. And I will have a link for the kit extras in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.